Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 388 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have the Hanalei, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but this is the lip treatment peach pink that I got in my February Ipsy glam bag. And if you want to see my unbagging of my February Ipsy glam bag, I will link that video down below. But I was really excited to get this. I have such dry lips, so I'm always looking for great lip products that will give my lips hydration. So lip treatment is exactly what I'm looking for. And then I just want to read a little bit from this pamphlet here from Ipsy about this product. So it says, made in Hawaii by a team of beauty chemists, this peachy pink balm hydrates and rejuvenates skin with kukui oil, a fave Hawaiian nut rich in vitamins A, C, and E, and essential fatty acids. And so when I did my unbagging, I swatched this and oh my gosh, I am so excited about it because it's just like so, I'm gonna swatch it again, glossy and smoothing. It kind of has the texture of petroleum jelly. So look at that shine, slight tint of color, but yeah, it really does remind me of like a Vaseline texture. And one of my beauty hacks is that I love to use Vaseline on my lips, on any dry patches. It's just one of my go-to products that I've been using since forever. And if I can have a lip treatment that's basically like Vaseline but prettier, then this is perfect. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit to my finger and then apply it to my lips. We'll see how it does. And when I unbagged this, I mentioned that it had a scent kind of reminding me of Blistex, and that really is just like exactly what it smells like. Where it smells a little bit like an ointment, but not in a bad way, a little bit of that kind of minty-ish, cooling smell, and it's not bad at all. I also want to mention that this is cruelty-free, and the full-size version, which I only really saw it available on their website, retails for $20. Wow, so the way I would describe this application is that it kind of like melts into my lips, and with the warmth of my skin, it makes this kind of melt. So when I first take it out of the tube, it's more of a solid texture, but then as I'm rubbing at it or on my lips, the heat of my skin kind of melts it, so then it becomes much more liquidy, much more glossy. And that slight tint of color is so pretty. It immediately hydrated my super dry lips. Where I had those dry patches, they're like completely gone, and the tint of color isn't clinging to them at all. It's such a beautiful glossy finish, and it just feels so good on my lips. It really does feel like I just applied Vaseline to my lips. Yay, I'm so happy with how this looks, with how this feels, how it performs. It's just exactly what I was hoping for. My lips feel completely smoothed out, and they were very chapped before, where they were uncomfortable. I had like dry patches. My lips were just chapped and pretty gross and ugly, and now my lips look smooth. They look hydrated, they look healthy, and just beautiful. And it's like, not only is this a beautiful lip gloss with that tint of color and that amazing sheen, it just feels so good and relieving to my dry lips. So this is everything I would want. So if you suffer from dry lips like I do, definitely give this a try. I'm so impressed right now. And also, this is not the least bit sticky. I'd never heard of this brand, but really excited about it. Let me know in the comments down below if you've heard of them before and if you've tried any other products from this brand, because now I really want to try out some more. I feel like that happens to me with so many of the products that I get from Ipsy. It's been such a great way to try out new brands that I had never heard of before, new products that I never would have gotten if it wasn't for Ipsy. So another very successful Ipsy product. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.